Cristiano Ronaldo's luxury lifestyle in Saudi Arabia. Welcome to my channel. In the opulent tapestry of Saudi Arabia, Cristiano Ronaldo's lifestyle emerges as a beacon of luxury. Riyadh serves as the stage for his extraordinary existence, where exclusive residences, a fleet of prestigious cars, private yachts, and VIP access to entertainment intertwine, crafting a narrative of lavishness befitting a global football icon. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Philanthropic initiatives. Cristiano Ronaldo, amidst his opulent lifestyle in Saudi Arabia, dedicates a significant part of his wealth to impactful philanthropic initiatives. Committed to making a positive change, Ronaldo channels his influence and resources into supporting local charities and community development projects across the kingdom. Whether contributing to education, healthcare, or social welfare, his generosity extends beyond personal indulgence, showcasing a genuine commitment to societal betterment. Ronaldo's philanthropic endeavors in Saudi Arabia not only reflect his compassion, but also contribute to fostering a positive and lasting impact on the lives of those in need, aligning his luxurious existence with a meaningful purpose. Number 9. Personal security team. In the realm of Cristiano Ronaldo's opulent existence in Saudi Arabia, a paramount element is his vigilant personal security team. Comprising elite and highly trained professionals, this team ensures the football icon's safety and privacy around the clock. With a meticulous focus on safeguarding Ronaldo and his family, the security personnel employ cutting-edge technologies and strategic measures to create an impenetrable shield. This bespoke security apparatus not only mirrors the footballer's commitment to personal well-being, but also underscores the necessity for discreet protection in the midst of a lavish lifestyle. In Saudi Arabia, Ronaldo's luxury is seamlessly intertwined with a steadfast dedication to security. Number 8. Helicopter commute. Cristiano Ronaldo's extravagant lifestyle in Saudi Arabia includes a distinctive touch of convenience: his private helicopter commute. Evading traffic snarls, Ronaldo soars above Riyadh's skyline, relishing a seamless and swift journey between his opulent abode and various destinations. This airborne mode of transportation not only exemplifies his desire for efficiency, but also adds an unmistakable flair to his luxurious routine. In the kingdom's urban sprawl, the helicopter becomes Ronaldo's exclusive mode of travel, allowing him to navigate the city with unparalleled ease and ensuring that time, a precious commodity, remains firmly under his control amidst the extravagance of his Saudi lifestyle. Number 7. VIP access to entertainment. Within Cristiano Ronaldo's lavish lifestyle in Saudi Arabia, VIP access to entertainment stands as a hallmark of his opulence. The football legend enjoys unparalleled entry to exclusive events, concerts, and cultural spectacles in Riyadh. Positioned in private box seats at prestigious venues, Ronaldo relishes the finest performances and cultural experiences the city has to offer. This privileged access not only underscores his celebrity status, but also amplifies the extravagant tapestry of his Saudi sojourn. In the midst of luxury, Ronaldo's VIP treatment ensures that every entertainment experience becomes a bespoke and unforgettable facet of his extraordinary lifestyle. Number 6. Exclusive gym and spa. At the heart of Cristiano Ronaldo's sumptuous lifestyle in Saudi Arabia lies his exclusive gym and spa sanctuary. Imbued with cutting-edge fitness technology, his private gym is a haven for sculpting peak physical prowess. Manned by top-tier trainers, it caters to Ronaldo's bespoke training needs. Adjacent to this fitness haven, a luxurious spa offers indulgent rejuvenation, featuring personalized wellness treatments to ensure the football icon maintains his prime athletic condition. This dual oasis not only exemplifies his dedication to fitness, but also magnifies the opulence of his Saudi lifestyle, a realm where health and well-being seamlessly merge with luxury and exclusivity. Number 5. Gourmet dining experience. Cristiano Ronaldo's luxurious lifestyle in Saudi Arabia is epitomized by his exquisite gourmet dining experiences. Amidst the opulence of Riyadh, Ronaldo savors culinary excellence within the confines of his lavish residence. A personal chef crafts a symphony of international and local flavors, presenting gastronomic masterpieces tailored to his discerning palate. The dining ambience exudes sophistication, accompanied by the finest wines and impeccable service. This culinary indulgence not only reflects Ronaldo's refined taste, but also elevates his Saudi sojourn, transforming every meal into a sensorial journey. In the realm of his luxurious existence, gourmet dining becomes an integral and delectable facet of his lifestyle. Number 4. High-end fashion wardrobe. Cristiano Ronaldo's opulent lifestyle in Saudi Arabia extends to his high-end fashion wardrobe, a testament to unparalleled luxury. Riyadh becomes a runway for the football icon, adorned in bespoke, custom-tailored suits from renowned designers. His closet boasts a curated collection of exclusive watches, accessories, and iconic fashion pieces. Ronaldo's attire transcends mere clothing. It is a statement of sartorial sophistication, showcasing the pinnacle of style and elegance. In Saudi Arabia's extravagant milieu, every public appearance becomes a fashion spectacle, with Ronaldo effortlessly blending his athletic prowess with a distinctive and impeccable sense of high-end fashion, setting the stage for a lifestyle synonymous with grandeur. Number 3. Personalized yacht. In Cristiano Ronaldo's Saudi Arabian extravagance, a symbol of maritime sophistication graces his opulent lifestyle. Ronaldo navigates the azure waters in unparalleled style, accompanied by a dedicated crew ensuring every nautical desire is met. The yacht, an emblem of exclusivity, offers panoramic views of the Saudi coastline and beyond. From lavish onboard gatherings to serene sunsets, Ronaldo's personalized maritime haven becomes a haven for leisure and relaxation, reaffirming that in the realm of his Saudi sojourn, even the seas bow to the unmatched opulence of his lifestyle. Number 2. Private fleet of cars. Cristiano Ronaldo's Saudi Arabian opulence unfurls on the roads with his distinguished private fleet of cars. Parked in a secure and meticulously maintained garage, these high-performance vehicles include bespoke models from iconic brands like Bugatti and Lamborghini. Riyadh's streets transform into Ronaldo's personal runway as he cruises in these automotive marvels, each a testament to power, precision, and unparalleled luxury. Whether it's the sleek lines of a sports car or the commanding presence of a luxury SUV, each vehicle is a statement, encapsulating the football legend's penchant for speed and style amidst the lavish backdrop of his Saudi lifestyle. Number 1. Exclusive residency. Cristiano Ronaldo's Saudi Arabian opulence unfurls on the roads with his distinguished private fleet of cars. Parked in a secure and meticulously maintained garage, these high-performance vehicles include bespoke models from iconic brands like Bugatti and Lamborghini. Riyadh's streets transform into Ronaldo's personal runway as he cruises in these automotive marvels, each a testament to power, precision, and unparalleled luxury. Whether it's the sleek lines of a sports car or the commanding presence of a luxury SUV, each vehicle is a statement, encapsulating the football legend's penchant for speed and style amidst the lavish backdrop of his Saudi lifestyle. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.